What's the matter, Griffin? What is it? Is there some snow at your door? What happened? It's okay. What happened? What is that? What is all that? Huh? Go ahead, go get it. Go check it out. You can do it. Be brave. Be brave. It's okay. Be brave. Come here. I'll go first. How about if I go first? Look. Come see it. Look, it's just snow. I know. Hey, good boy. You're so brave. You are so brave. Yeah. What a good dog. What a good dog. I'm not opening the door yet. Silly. I'm not even ready to go out there.